Hello, my name is Dylan. I'm going to show you this big box that's in it. My sister got this thing. It's a five-space big box, and it has all the stuff that she got me. And you see we have a mini poster here. Army of the Promise! It's the army. Then we have another mini poster. It's Freddy. He's the first player of the month. And this is a five-space. It's you put in your backyard, I think. Mango finds Freddy's. This is Kika. She's an animatronic that's kind of weird. She has a pizza. This is a Lego, and his name is Robin. He likes to fight crimes from the 1960s. And this is kind of fast miles of Lego. It's kind of cool. He's my second favorite character in Life besides The Force Awakens because she's like a Star Trooper, but she's just silver. And this is our close to the captain, but we name him Bob. And now we have keychain. It's a Mary and Poppin one, and it's cool. Oh, look everybody. I look like this or this. All I have left is cards, everybody, in the keychain. This is Bonnie from a game, I think. Like it's looking like an old game to me. This is Mango. This is Balloon Boy calling for the events, 522. This is Freddy going through the hallway, and he just went into the woman's womb. And this is Foxy run down the hallway. This is Freddy when the lights are on, you die in it. If you're playing Five Nights at Freddy's. And this is Toy Kika. It's like a Toy Kika thing card. And this is Bonnie through the vents. And this is Bonnie and the camera. And this is when you die in the game. There's one card in this. And this is Freddy. And that was it today, everybody. So we hope you enjoyed this video. And please like and subscribe to my other videos. And leave a like. Bye-bye. How do you open this?